interdisciplinary neurosciences.
The thing that surprised me most about the neuroscience major was I didn't realize just how broad it would be.
I was surprised by how much chemistry and physics there was, but also how relevant they were. Sometimes in other majors those feel like just extra requirements, but I have used all of the biology, chemistry, physics, all of the hard science I needed.
The thing that surprised me the most about being in neuroscience was the fact that it's not just all science. You study a lot of the cellular and molecular mechanisms of neuroscience, but you're also studying how it impacts behavior.
One thing that really surprised me when I started to learn neuroscience and dive into the major was just how much our brain does without us recognizing it. I think that when people enter the neuroscience major, they kind of know what the brain does, they just want to know how it does it. What surprised me when I was learning about the functionality of the brain is it does all these things that we're not even aware that it's doing.
The professors are very much engaged in who you are as a person, and I kind of had the idea that I wouldn't know my professors on a personal level, but all the neuroscience professors have taken great care and in who I am as a person and as a scientist.
It's just open. I thought I would have to apply to the program. I thought it would be very selective, and it just wasn't. And I think it's so cool because everybody should have the opportunity to take a neuroscience class.
I was surprised about how much was known about neuroscience, and yet how little we knew about neuroscience at the same time. I was surprised about how much we had to learn, but that it was really an unexplored frontier.